my name is AON, and this is my backlove story. In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you what's inside my Sinbono Vienna top handle bag, Sanrio MyMelody edition. As I told you before, I told you that I wanted to collect these two cute bunnies from Sanrio with my Melody and also Kuromi. Because the personality of these two bunnies matches my personality. My Melody is someone who is kind, sociable, optimistic, and calm, while Kuromi is someone who is cheeky, amusing, has a tough appearance, but is very sweet and girly on the inside. She loves to write on her diary and also read romance novels. So the combination of their personalities matches my personality. I love the fact they're very cute and girly. That's why I really wanted to collect both of them. But now, I would like to share with you what's inside my Sinbono Vienna top handle bag, Sanrio My Melody edition. So now, let's start. On the outside, I have placed this one. This is My Melody coin purse, coin pouch. And I have placed my earbuds, Bavin earbuds. It also serves as a very nice keychain on the outside, right? Or charm. Now let's open. So I have here, this is a highlighter that is in the shape of a heart. See? So nice. And I have here my pocket mirror. An alcohol bottle dispenser. And I have here my key holder. And I have here my tissue paper on my holo card case. So this one is a very cute compact mirror and brush. You can see the details of this one. I really loved. When I saw this, I really want to get it right away. You can see this has a marshmallow, a donut, cupcake, Coke, of course my melody, a candy on top, and also like an icing, and also a starfish. Looks really nice, and I'm so glad I got it. And I would like to, in case you would like to get this as well, I will be linking it below for you where I got it from. This on the other side is a brush. So on the inside is a mirror, and also this side has a brush. It's a bit bulky, but I still love it. It's so nice. So cute and so kawaii, my melody. And I really hope Kuromi has this as well. This kind of design or this style that matches her color, and I would be happy to get it as well. Then I have here my holographic wallet. I have a Human Nature lotion, hand and foot salve, which is in a eucalyptus scent. And I have here my phone case, perfume, a Tic Tac in this very cute pink color. I have to taste that first. And I have here a very small lip tint from Dear Self Beauty, which is called the Lane. This is a deer tint. Then on the pocket inside, I have here, of course, my emergency medicine, my medallion, and the pin that I always bring with me. So that's it inside my Sinbono Vienna top handle bag. And I would like to share with you something that I did with a chain, because this Vienna top handle came with a removable sling chain, gold chain. So this is the gold chain from Sinbono. And I have placed a ribbon. You can see. So it looks like this. So cute and curly. I specifically used a ribbon instead of a thin faux leather one because the faux leather one I have tried made this chain tough or not really flexible. The ribbon, which is very thin, like this one, thin ribbon, you can see, is very flexible. It will not make your sling, your chain sling, retain the flexibility of the chain, of the gold chain. So I used this one instead of a faux leather one. And it matches the bag perfectly. Let's put it first. You can see how cute it turned out. In case you want to see how I did it, the actual one, please do comment on the comment section below if you're interested to see how I did this. This is very simple. You can also, this is also very cheap. The ribbons, also link the ribbons where I got it from as well. But this one is very cheap and the ribbon really helped to maintain the flexibility of the chain. It will not make the sling stiff or very heavy or very thick. This one maintained its flexibility, so I really liked it. So there, a little DIY for you. So I have a code below. In case you haven't started yet with your Christmas shopping and would like to think of gifts to buy for your family and friends, you might want to try Sinbono bags. They are luxurious vegan bags that are made from recycled plastic bottles and also fruit peels. Vegan bags that are very eco-friendly and also very luxurious. Even their hardware looks very luxurious as well. So in case you would like to buy, they have a lot of their new bags released. You may use my code BAGLOVE to avail of a 26% off when you buy from their website. And my code is higher from their website, so you might want to enjoy that. I also have an upcoming giveaway. I'll be announcing it very, very soon. I'm just waiting for the items to arrive and then we'll be announcing it for you. And I really hope you'll all join. So that's it for today. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.